Hi, I am Lakshmi Priya from the Department of Bsc Physician Assistant at SNS College of Allied Health Science. Here I am share about business module Canva of Embark Trucks. Key partners, major trucking carriers, Werner Knight Swift, Bison Transport, Mozilla Valley via partnership programs, OEMs and hardware supplies for sensor packaging and drive-by-wire integration, logistic shopping companies collaborating in pilots and commercialization, investors including Tiger Global, Knight Swift, Mubala, CPP Investment. Key activities: autonomous driving softwares, R&D and validation across highway routes, integration with the carriers and testing via pilot deployment, data stimulations of edge cases, fleet operations and scaling across corridors, collaborations with OEMs on drive-by-wire integration companies, navigation and customer support service. Key resources: Embark drives autonomous software and sensor suite, property Embark universal interface, engineering talent in robotics and AI stimulation, testing infrastructure, strategic career and shipper partnership, regulatory compliance SCE, value proportion, autonomous highway driving software that reduces labor dependency, fatigue, and cost. Platform agonist SaaS model working across major OEM trucks via the Embark Universal Interface. Increase in fleet efficacy, fuel savings, improved safety, reduced emissions, and faster delivery times. Customer relationship, dedicated account management and integration support for carriers, on site training, regular updates, feedback loops, performance dashboards, and technical support. Customer segments: commercial, long night freight carriers and fleet operators, long shippers and logistic providers. Channels: direct engagement via partner, development program with the carriers, industry trade shows, webinars, direct sales, digital marketing, and institutional investor pitches. Cost structure: high R&D and stimulatory development cost, software development and maintenance, plus infrastructure for testing, engineering and talent cost, partnership and regulatory expenses, support services, training, marketing, insurance, compliance overhead. Revenue system: per mile listening fees, changeless fees, subscription to carrier partners, ancillary revenues from support